Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the camera app. Open it now so you can act immediately. Once inside, focus on the top toolbar where the live photo icon looks like concentric circles. Tap that icon once to turn live off. The yellow indicator disappears when disabled. Make sure you see the slash or label indicating live is off so subsequent shots are standard photos. This direct toggle prevents unwanted 5-second motion and saves storage by avoiding extra frames. If you want live off consistently, use settings so you don't repeat the step. First, swipe to open Control Center for immediate access on some models, but then go to Settings, Camera, Preserve Settings. Here you'll find Live Photo Preserved. Flip that toggle so your last chosen state persists. Once done, the camera app remembers live as off across sessions. Make sure Preserve Settings is enabled, otherwise the camera may reset to live on when you relaunch. Finish by verifying. Take a quick test shot and check the photo's info to confirm live is off. If the icon won't toggle or the setting won't stick, force close the camera app and reopen it, or restart your iPhone to clear a temporary glitch. If problems persist, make sure iOS is up to date since software bugs can affect camera behavior. Update via Settings General Software Update. That usually resolves stubborn toggle issues and restores normal live photo control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.